Hello everybody, how's everybody doing today? Thanks for stopping back at the Camping Family channel. It is the day before Thanksgiving, actually. Thanks for stopping by. Out here at the rig. Gonna do some final winterization. Be a good day to get some of this work done. Let's see what I'm doing here. Just going inside. Wanted to bring some stuff out. It's cold. Temperatures really dropped. I think it's going to be down in the 20s at night the rest of the week. It's really gotten chilly. What I want to do is we have started packing up for the winter, doing my winterization, and a couple things in here we still need to do yet. I need to clean out the fridge. A couple of food items yet. Some of this we can actually throw out. Just old food from the summer. So that'll be cleaned out. I've got pretty much everything done in here. Unplug the TV. And probably going to bring in the slides. Because in case we get snow, I don't like getting snow and ice buildup on the slide toppers. Let's close our vents because you don't really need those open. There's enough other ways the air can get in. Inside of here, I think we're in pretty good shape in here. I've already shut that vent. Bathroom. Oh, I got some water in here I need to get out. It's a little bit of water. So I think we're in pretty good shape inside. A couple of things I need to get out of the cupboards. I just need to go around to each cupboard and get everything out. Like this stuff shouldn't be out here in freezing temp, so we'll get those out of here. And there's a couple of tools. Well, not tools, but there's some things in here that shouldn't be out here in the winter either. So, see, like that caulk. I don't want that caulk out here. But let's take a look around and just make sure there's nothing really else out here. Pretty good shape. All right. So outside, what I want to do is go around. I've already drained my tanks. Well, let me correct that. I've drained the water, the freshwater tank. That was done about a week ago. Freshwater tank drains in this compartment here. That's all been drained. I drained my hot water tank. I did that the other day. This is all drained. And all I did was set this plug in here. See, just to keep things out. Note, this plug needs replaced. I actually have replacement plugs for that. So we're going to do that in the spring. And there's that. Nothing to do in the fridge. We're good there. And everything's good under here. That's all just hardware. Everything's good back here. Let's just check. Make sure my drain valves are still open, which they should be. Yeah, those are all good. So those are open. I need to drain my tanks yet, which is just, they just have water in them. These are all open. This I have closed. So we're all good in here. But the only thing I really wanted to do was run the generator for a little bit. Tower covers are all on. These bays are all locked. I don't think there's much in those bays anyway. And I think we're in pretty good shape. Everything should be fine in here. The battery should be fine until spring. I'm actually going to get a new battery in here for spring, so we're okay in here for the winter. The only thing I would have checked is the water levels in the coach batteries, but I'm actually going to replace these two batteries in the spring as well. Those are those old 6-volt golf cart batteries the other owners had in there, and I have not replaced those yet, so I'm going to do that in the spring. I'm not too worried about it. The water levels are okay there. Everything in this compartment, this is the gas. I just want to make sure that the propane is turned off. Propane is off. Hose is all up. Nothing up in here I need to worry about. So there we go. So basically we're in pretty good shape. Not much to do here. I do want to run the generator. I need to do that. But we don't have to do that quite yet. It's just due for running. And just like that, I decided to go ahead and bring the slides in. Just because I knew it's going to get in the cold, in the 20s. Get pretty cold here. So what I like to do is go ahead and we'll run this generator. It is good to exercise that thing every month. And I don't think I've ran it in at least 2. So let's just go ahead and exercise it. Set up the heater inside as something to draw some power on. Because this is an older unit, this is one that does not have a transfer switch, which I would love to install. I just don't know if I have a room for it in here. Let me get this surge protector off, and we'll plug in the cable. Sorry about that video, it's all over the place today. So that's plugged in. Let's go fire up the generator. Yeah. Alright, let's go fire it up. We'll go inside. Generator's plugged in. Let's go fire it up here. Gen set. Prime. See it turning. Here it goes. Took it a second. Alright, generator's running. Let it run for a minute here. And then we'll power up the appliances. And I've got my little space heater here. We'll give it a little something to do. Turn on that. We've got power here, so I know we're plugged in. And let's give something to do here. All right. Putting the generator to work. All right, well, we will let this run for a little bit. Probably a good half hour. I like to let that run for a while. We'll do a couple things out here. Clean up. Get those things out of the cabinet. And just give the generator a good, nice run. All right. We'll check back in a little bit. All right, still inside. Got the generator running, just wrapping up. Let's turn off the heater. Just like that. I heard the generator rev up a little bit, not as much to do, and we will turn off the generator and call this exercise complete. Let's turn that off. Here we go. Good to run the generator. All right, let's turn it off here. There we go. There we go. Let's go back outside and we'll wrap this up. Now we have to plug this back into the wall actually. Plug this back into shore power. It was good to do that. Plug this back in. There, got this all ready to go. Turn it on. All good. All right, go turn our fridge back on, and we will call this test a success. Nice exercise of the generator. Freezer's on. Let's turn the fridge on, and we can unplug that heater on there. Unplug the heater. Don't need that on anymore. All right, let's head back outside. We'll wrap it up. All right, so I think I'm gonna call it quits for this video here. Just a little quick touch base on finalizing some winterization. Sadly, yeah, but just good to know in a couple months we'll be out here and getting it prepped for next year. All right, well, thanks for stopping by. Hope everybody has a great holiday tomorrow if you're in the States for Thanksgiving. All right, we'll see you on the next one.